my god, wow. That's a full car. Wow. They got splinters and everything. It's getting scrapped next year, I'm pretty sure.
Huh?
I think it's getting scrapped next year. Like it's not gonna run anymore because the new train next year.
They said it's supposedly going to be running. It's supposedly going to be running in 2020.
There it is. There it is.
too. I bottled him and then I plucked my own.
I just plugged Maven.
Oh no! It broke.
No, I think they're cutting
The
down.
tree.
It's a
You're
dog.
right. The tree's been hitting it. He's trimming the tree.
Yeah.
Those branches that hit our carriage, they're cutting them off so they don't hit any more carriages.
Why?
That's good.
Probably because it's gonna scratch them.
Yeah, because that's kind of scary.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, it already scratched up the top of it.
They're still cutting it.
They sure are. How good is that?
That means we're gonna get to hear it make that sound again.
Oh my.
It won't make that sound.
The wheels are not moving.
Oh, it's moving
Not
really
those
slow. It
ones.
takes its time to build up speed.
Can't get that close.
Try to wheel.
Oh, I see.
Those wheels are new.
Again?
I think they're cutting down the tree.
I think they're cutting down some more. They just moved a little way.
They said, hey, stop this tree from hitting our train.
Can I see?
Yeah.
What was that sound?
That was a kid with a whistle, just like you. Whoa.
What?
Okay, here we go. Here it comes. Oh, check out those couples. Oh, this is